Oh guys, this is working iPhone. Let's do this. Oh, oh no! What is this? It's working. It's working, guys. Hi guys, this is Craftel here and where today. So guys, I have a good news. This is Minecraft PE iPhone 6s. Oh no, let's try this guys. This is the Minecraft PE review. So I see this in the True Trees and I download it. So let's go, let's review this guys. This iPhone Minecraft PE. So first let's try. Oh guys, let's try Minecraft PE. Oh no! This is so nice! Minecraft PE! Let's try click a button. Oh no, it's not working. So guys, if this had a next update, you can download this. Guys. So that is the working button, and the iPhone is charging. Look at this. He's charging. My iPhone is charging. So guys, let's go to YouTube. Let's see YouTube. Oh no, lagging. Oh no. Oh, what the heck is this? This is a YouTube. Oh no, this is so nice. Let's press. Oh, it's not working. In the next update, this YouTube it's working. So let's go to another website. Oh no, it's lagging. Oh no, it's lagging. Let's press this. Why is not working? Let's turn off my iPhone because the YouTube is not homing. Let's go this. Oh no, this is not working. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, I'm making video. Oh no. 1 second guys. So guys, let's go to Flappy Bird. So look at this Flappy Bird guys. So cute. Oh, tap the Flappy Bird. Look at this guys. It's so nice. Up. Oh no, it's game over. That's good guys. Let's go play again. Go up. Oh no. Let's go to another website. Let's go to another website. Let's go to another website. Let's go to Facebook. Let's go to FB. Look at this. Oh no, I have. Why is this sad face? Why is he sad? Okay, let's go. My status. Let's go to notification. Why this is not working? Notification. Let's go down and home. And let's go to what is this? This is settings. Let's go to settings. Let's go to settings. Sorry for lagging, guys. Let's look our battery. Is this full? Oh no, it's not full. Look at this, guys. Look at it's charging. It's charging. And let's go to home. So let's go to this is music. Look at this, my music. Let's go home. Let's go to home, guys. What is that? Let's go to home and let's to Google. Let's go to Google. There. Oh no, there's a speaker. That's why it's not working. Let's type in the field box. This is not working. Hindi mo ko video ma. Why is this not working? Why is this not working? So let's go to another. Let's go to another. Let's go to memo. Let's go to let's go here. Go to arts. Oh no. Let's go here. Go here. Look at these. So nice. What's this? This is a wallpaper. That's good. Oh, that's nice. I rate these 10 points. Let's go to memo. Oh, we cannot put. Dear me. Let's go to another app. Let's go here. Let's go here. Here. Let's go to clock. What time is it? Oh no, it's 12 p.m. It's 12 noon. 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 Let's go home. So wait. So guys, thank you for watching all this video, guys, and see you next time. Peace.
Yo!